Hey everybody, Dr. Buell here along with Dr. Savage at the Revive Clinic, and we wanted to just take a moment and chat with you about something new that we created that we think is really important, and that is our referral policy.
Yeah, so you can find it in a trifold brochure, you can find it on our website, but really we just wanted to take the opportunity to just chat a little bit about why it's important that we have a referral policy.
Yeah, and I think first and foremost, there are a lot of people that are suffering pretty badly. Lots of medication use, lots of days off, time away from school, a lot of kids with concussion stuff, and they just don't know about upper cervical. So to me, I think, and to Dr. Savage, that's one of our first top priorities. It's because there are a lot of suffering people in the world that we just want to help out. Yeah.
And so the bottom line is that if we don't take the time to get that information out there and we don't equip you guys to help spread that word, then it's not going to get out there and people won't know about it. So.
Yeah, one of the biggest questions patients a lot of times will ask is, how come I didn't hear about this sooner? You know what I mean? And it's a couple different things. It's, the pharmaceutical budget, big pharma is literally millions of dollars every month, every day almost, in terms of the drug ads that you see. A lot of the doctors and therapists out there are well-meaning people. They're just busy. Other reasons that it's really important to have a referral policy is that we like the analysis. We like the before and after testing. We like knowing that we're holding our adjustment, that we don't always need to be adjusted. Those around us usually appreciate the same thing. A referral policy is important because those folks that you know that are in your life, your friends, your family, honestly probably have a similar worldview to you. And if you appreciate the care and you appreciate the results, if there's someone in your life that's hurting, they probably would appreciate the same level of care. That's just something that we just probably kind of believe,
So if you know of anybody who, like you mentioned, has really just been suffering needlessly, somebody who's always going to different doctor's appointments, who has been in and out of doctor's appointments with not a lot of hope or a lot of answers, who are suffering with chronic conditions like different pain conditions, people who have been in accidents and injuries, whether it's related to something like sports or it's a car accident, and then like people who've been to every doctor from A to Z, every specialist, and still is not getting the results that they're looking for.
Yeah, it could be different conditions. It could be different age groups. I mean, our kids these days, these poor kids are on so many medications. Getting time out of school, it's unbelievable how many kids are missing school due to concussion, migraine, doctor's visits. There's a lot of people that are hurting out there. So if you know any of those, believe me, you will get the same satisfaction that we do when a patient gives a positive report. I'm telling you, we're just like we are patients. So when you guys are doing well, we feel so happy for you. And believe me, you'll feel the same way when someone you know gets those same results. It is the best feeling in the world, knowing that you were part of their solution. We really appreciate you guys being a part of this practice. We appreciate you helping us spread this message of hope and of healing and just being a part of the journey with us. And we'll see you soon.